Is it time to buy or sell Nebius Group N.v stock? In this video, we will explore Nebius Group N.v in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any key updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 1st of May, 2025, our system has ranked Nebius Group N.v as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.31. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 63.59% since we initially identified Nebius Group N.v as a buy candidate 14 days ago. This equates to an average return of 4.54% per day, since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of nearly 3% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from nearly 52% down to nearly 3%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of over 40%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of 22% to an increase of nearly 87% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $30 and $73. Our latest daily update for Nebius Group N.v includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Nebius Group N.v stock price on Tuesday, moving between $36 and $41. The Nebius Group N.v stock price gained 4.21% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, rising from $37.56 to $39.14. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be intriguing to observe whether it manages to continue this upward trend or takes a brief pause in the upcoming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 13.81%, with a low at $36.42 and a high of $41.45. The price has risen in 9 of the last 10 days and is up by 56.31% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 20 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 31 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.21 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $50.87, while the lowest price was $14.09. Currently, the price is 23.06%, or $11.73, below the 52-week high of $50.87, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Nebius Group N.v has recently captured attention with an impressive growth of 385% year-over-year in the first quarter. This surge is primarily attributed to the rising adoption of GPU cloud solutions. As a result of this robust performance, investor enthusiasm has led to a significant increase in NBIS stock prices. Analysts express optimism regarding the company's strategic expansion efforts in North America and its collaborations, especially with Nvidia, which position Nebius as a strong competitor against established entities in the AI infrastructure sector. However, despite this notable revenue growth, Nebius faces challenges, including considerable EBITDA losses and substantial cash burn, raising concerns about long-term profitability. The company is on track to achieve EBITDA break-even by 2026, but the risks associated with high operating costs and potential dilution for shareholders must not be overlooked. In the short term, the positive first-quarter performance and revised optimistic price targets are likely to draw interest from momentum-driven investors, driving the stock upward. Nevertheless, caution is advisable for long-term investors, as continued investments in scaling operations amid persistent unprofitability may lead to volatility. The prevailing market sentiment highlights both the exciting potential and inherent risks associated with investing in NBIS. Analysts have assigned Nebius Group N.v stock an overall sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Nebius Group N.v. Today, the chart displays mostly positive signals. The stock of Nebius Group N.v. shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support will be provided by the levels at $36.36 and $25.79. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and thus far, the stock has risen by 95.11%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical signal. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal was noted 30 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal was observed 140 days ago. Short-term moving average signaled a sell opportunity 13 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages. A buy signal emerged 15 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, a buy signal was noted 21 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages. A buy signal appeared 43 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nebius Group N.v. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $36.22 and $32.05. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, Nebius Group N.v. finds support just below today's level at $36.22. Should this level be breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $32.05 and $29.61. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $5.03 between its high and low, representing a change of 13.81%. Over the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 7.46%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Nebius Group N.v., let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 23rd of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative $450,000. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nebius Group N.v. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nebius Group N.v. is at $39.84. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nebius Group N.v. encounters its first support level at $36.22. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $37.89, representing a decline of 3.2%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces a significant level of risk. The relative strength index over a 14-day period stands at 90, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicating a pivot bottom that was identified 29 days ago. Is Nebius Group N.v stock a good buy? Nebius Group N.v displays several positive signals. Although the stock is currently in a downward trend, we believe it remains an attractive option at present levels. We anticipate that Nebius Group N.v stock will perform very well over the next 3 months. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 21st of May, we expect Nebius Group N.v to open lower by approximately 137 cents and start trading at $39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.